Hello, myself Sheetal Zarare, working on the topic biosystematic studies of Phaeophyta, more specifically on the genus Sargassum from west coast of Maharashtra, under the guidance of Dr. Abhay Sarve. For pre-PhD coursework, my seminar topic is phytochemical and biochemical analysis of Sargassum species. Introduction. Marine seaweed species has huge scope for utilization in agricultural, medicinal, and economic activity. These marine seaweeds are mainly of four types: Phaeophyta, Rhodophyta, Chlorophyta, and the Cyanophyta. Out of which Phaeophyta, which is commonly known as the brown algae, is the second most abundant and comprise the majority of seaweeds that reaches towards the shore. And that's why it is easily available for human benefits. Phaeophyta are one of the potent marine algae from agricultural and medicinal point of view. It carries several metabolites and bioactive constituents used for treating the different diseases like the cancer and arthritis. Sargassum is the one of the most important and abundantly found brown algae. Phytochemical evaluation of this plant may give idea about its potential in the pharmaceutical industries. Present study aimed to explore the phytochemical, biochemical, antioxidant, antimicrobial properties and analysis of Sargassum species found throughout the west coast of Maharashtra. Working and principle. We have started the work with the literature survey. Through the literature survey, we have selected few sites where the Sargassum has been reported. Collection of the algae from different sites has been carried out. The identification of the plant's material was carried out on the basis of morphological and anatomical characteristic features. Screening and analysis of phytochemical constituent is our main aim. For that, the first step is the qualitative analysis of secondary metabolites. We have carried out it with the help of a standard protocols. Along with that, we have focused on the biochemical aspects of the plant species. For that, we have carried out the quantitative analysis of primary metabolites such as the lipid, protein, carbohydrate by following the standard methodology. Preparation of the sample extract has been carried out by using the different solvents like distilled water, methanol, and chloroform. To prepare the sample extract, we have utilized the dried sample powder of 5 gram and we have utilized the 100 ml of different solvent. The extract has been prepared by Soxhlet extraction machinery by following the standard methodology. Result. For qualitative analysis, we have selected 8 different secondary metabolites such as the alkaloid, flavonoid, phenols, saponine, coumarins, glycosides, quinines, and tannins. Aqueous extract gives positive result only for the saponines, while methanolic extract gives positive response for the alkaloid, flavonoid, phenols, quinines, and tannin. Chloroform extract gives positive result for the phenol, saponine, coumarin, glycosides, and the quinine. Out of 3 different extracts, methanol and chloroform extract shows maximum amount of secondary metabolite presence. Total estimation of biochemical compound has been carried out with the help of a standard methodology. Total estimation of protein was carried out by following the standard Lawry's method. 1 gram of a sample carries around 0.11 mg of a protein, while carbohydrate has been estimated by following Anthron reagent method. 1 gram of a sample carries around 11 mg of the carbohydrate. The total amount of a lipid is around 0.042 mg in 1 gram of the sample. Target and outcomes. Our next target is the collection of a species from remaining sites. We are focusing on the identification of a Sargassum species on the basis of morphological and anatomical characters. Our main aim is qualitative as well as the quantitative analysis of phytoconstituents. Along with that, we are going to focus on the biochemical screening of the plant material and trying to find out the potential of a plant in the nutraceutical industry. Phytoconstituents make this seaweed useful for treating the different ailments and have a potential of providing useful drug for human welfare. This bioactive ingredient may represent the useful lead in the development of innovative things in the pharmaceutical as well as the cosmetic industries. Thank you.